gram shredded squash is waiting in the pot. 1 medium onion joins the cooking spot.
50 grams of butter gently starts to glow. A bunch of fresh dill makes the flavors flow.
1 spoon of paprika, sprinkle it with pride.
Toast it for a moment,
let the color shine.
now the squash comes in.
No secrets anymore.
Stir it all together,
Summer at your door.
summer squash stew, our favorite summer meal. Fresh dill in the breeze, what a happy feel. Creamy, smooth, and simple too. Dill brings fresh flavor shining through.
200 mils of water,
200 milk the same,
let it cook until it's tender.
all the way.
150 sour cream,
1 spoon of flour too.
whisk them nice and silky.
That's the trick to do. If it's getting thicker, add a little cooking stock.
Then pour it back into the
Waiting pot, bring it to a boil once.
season just the way you like.
Add the rest of the dill and 1 spoon of sugar bright. Summer squash stew, our favorite summer meal. Fresh dill in the breeze, what a happy feel. Creamy, smooth, and simple too. Dill brings fresh flavor shining through.
Wonderful when it's hot,
Delicious when it's cold.
with meatballs or stew.
It's comfort served in gold.
Boiled egg or grilled sausage,
Makes a perfect plate.
or simply eat it on its own.
It really tastes that great. When the pot is finished,
Smile from ear to ear.
the taste